Now guys, we would be analyzing our USDJPY. Now we can see, if you watch my video yesterday, I predicted that we would be going bullish about that yesterday, and we actually had that bullish move. We had a bullish move of about 160 plus pips on our USDJPY. That was massive and crazy. Yesterday was a massive move, and today too we will be having a bullish move. By the way, say at least 70 pips to grab, at least, that I'm saying, at least 70 pips, so we can go much more higher, between 70 to 90 pips. Now let's dive in on our price. We'll be predicting to go today. We'll go on our 4-hour time frame. Definitely we are going bullish. We can see a retracement here. Yesterday, this was the move yesterday we had on this 8. We had this move, and guess what, we're having a mini retracement. When we get that retracement, how we advise that you actually not take your buy position straight upward to you on your USDJPY. Try and grab at least 70 pips for today. Now on our USDJPY, you can see 4-hour time frame. We are predicting bullish, and we are going to be going bullish on our 1-hour time frame. It's still going bullish. By the way, we've gotten a mini retracement, as you can see here. We saw this push up, but definitely we will be seeing a very good amount of retracement to try and give in at least a double bottom around there. That is exactly what I'm thinking. But if it does not happen anyway, but this our USDJPY is actually going bullish. Our USD is going to be going bullish, and our JPY is going to be falling. So our USDJPY for today is actually bullish. So take your buy position straight upward. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you.